I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the phone and eject SIM or SD. Use a precision driver and spudger to remove visible screws. Pry open the back or display carefully because many jacks sit near the board. Once the cover loosens, lift slowly and note ribbon cable locations. This prevents damage later. Make sure to keep screws sorted. You will need the correct ones for reassembly. You're creating access to the headphone jack assembly and the main board beneath so you can replace it. With the battery disconnected, you gain safety and stability while working on the board. Desolder the jack pads or unclip the modular jack. Use controlled heat because excessive heat warps the board. Once free, compare the replacement to confirm pin layout and mechanical tabs. Install the new jack in the same orientation, then solder each pad with minimal solder and steady heat. Let joints cool, then reconnect any retaining clips. Double-check that the jack sits flush and that no solder bridges touch adjacent traces. Once the new jack is in place, reconnect the battery and assemble enough of the phone to power it on. This lets you test audio and microphone immediately. Plug in headphones and cycle volume and media. If sound works, power down and finish reassembly, reseating ribbons and replacing screws without over-torquing. If audio fails, don't panic. Reopen and inspect solder joints for cold connections, confirm ground continuity, and ensure the jack is fully seated. If you still have issues, try a magnifier to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.